Hey guys, when people learn that I have a daughter that does gymnastics, one of the first questions I get is, how can you as a chiropractor let your daughter do gymnastics? As I mentioned in my last video, I firmly believe that kids should do the activities that they love. And even if there's some risk involved, it's far better than them sitting at home on the couch scrolling on their phone. I also have a son that plays football, so yes, I 100% believe in that philosophy. So not only have I worked with my daughter Hannah, who is currently a college gymnast at the University of Alaska Anchorage, I worked with a lot of other college gymnasts, elite level gymnasts, including an Olympian, and gymnasts from all levels. I'm also the team chiropractor at Revolution Gymnastics in Rogers, Minnesota, and I set up a table right in the middle of practice to work with the team, and it's a lot of fun. So why is chiropractic care so important for gymnasts? Well, as a chiropractor, I not only work with the neck and back, which is dealing with issues of the spine and the pelvis, but I also work with all the extremities. And if you have a gymnast, you know that they're always dealing with issues with the shoulders, the wrists, the knees, the ankles, you name it. I went into more detail on this in my video on extremities, so I encourage you to check it out. But for a joint to function properly, it needs to be in alignment with proper motion. And for gymnasts to do what they need to do, they need their joints working right. Now, if their joints are out of alignment and not moving properly, not only will it affect their performance, but it will also increase the wear and tear on that joint, leading to long-term issues. So think about the wrist not being able to extend properly. Every time they do a back handspring or hit the vault table, it causes undue stress on the wrist. Or if there's a lack of proper motion in the pelvis or the upper back and shoulders, in order for them to do any back extension skills, that motion must be made up somewhere, which is often in the lower back. And over time, that can lead to problems in that area. So just from a biomechanical standpoint, chiropractic care plays a key role in making sure the joints of gymnasts are functioning properly, which not only helps the gymnast perform better, but also can help prevent injuries, especially the long-term nagging injuries. Now, one key aspect of chiropractic care that is overlooked is how it affects gymnastic performance from a neurological aspect. I covered in a previous video how the nervous system connects the brain to the body and how this orchestrated brain-body connection affects every function in the body. Constant adjustments are made on a moment-to-moment basis depending on what is going on in the body and what the body is doing. If there's interference in this system through misalignments or subluxations in the spine, the body cannot work as efficiently as possible. Now think about all that is going on in the nervous system of a gymnast, not only as they do one skill, but as they go through an entire routine. Their body is making constant adjustments in balance, coordination, air awareness. When they're on the beam, for example, there is constant proprioceptive feedback going from their feet to their brain, letting them know where they are on the beam and what adjustments they need to make or muscles they need to squeeze to help keep them on the beam. And a lot of this happens at a subconscious level, so that they're not even thinking about it. Now, there are so many factors that go into keeping a gymnast healthy. Good nutrition, getting enough rest, a good training schedule. What chiropractic care does is give the gymnast the best chance to perform at their optimum by removing any interference in their nervous system so their body is as finely tuned as possible and making sure their joints are working properly so they can do what the gymnast needs them to do. So if you know someone who has a gymnast, I invite you to like and share this video with them so they can find out more about how chiropractic care can help their gymnast. I also encourage you to subscribe to this channel so you can find out more about how chiropractic can help you and the ones you love. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.